Hello everyone, myself Pragna Biar. I'm studying in Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. In this session, I am going to explain the pattern or design. Uh, Definition of the pattern or design pattern is in software development, a pattern or design pattern is a written document that describes a general solution to a problem that recurs repeatedly in many projects. A design pattern provides a general reusable solution to a common design pattern. Then go to introduction. The design pattern methodology has become increasingly popular among software developers since the early 1990s due to largely to someone groundbreaking presentations and books on the subject released to the object-oriented world at trade shows and conventions. The software designers adapt the pattern solution to their specific project. Patterns use a formal approach to describing a design problem, its proposed solution, and any other factors that might affect the problem or the solution. A successful pattern should have established itself as leading to a good solution in the project or situation. In object-oriented programming, a pattern can contain a description of certain objects and object classes to be used, along with their attributes and dependencies, and the general approach to how to solve the problem. The programmers can use more than one pattern to address a specific problem. A collection of patterns is called a pattern framework. Design patterns provide a standard terminology and are specific to particular scenario. For example, a singleton design pattern signifies use of single object. So all developers familiar with single design pattern will make use of single object and they can tell each other that program is following a singleton pattern. Then the best practices. Design patterns have been evolved over a long period of time and they provide best solution to certain problems faced during software development. Learning these patterns help unexperienced developers to learn software design in an easy and faster way. Design patterns include the following types of information: name that describes the pattern, problem to be solved by the pattern, contexts or settings in which the problem occurs, forces that could influence the problem or its solutions, solution proposed to the problem, context for the solution, rationable for the reasonable behind the solution, known users and related patterns, author and date information, references and keywords used or searching, sample code related to the solution if it helps. Types of design patterns. As per the design pattern references book Design Patterns, Elements of Reusable Object-Oriented Software, there are 23 design patterns which can be classified in three categories: creational pattern, structural pattern and behavioral pattern. We will also discuss another category of design pattern, J2EE design patterns. First we are going to explain the creational pattern. This design patterns provides a way to create objects while hiding the creation logic rather than instantiating objects directly using new operator. This gives program more flexibility in deciding which object need to be created for a given use case. Next, structural pattern. These design patterns concern class and object composition. Concept of inheritance is used to compose interfaces and define ways to compose objects to obtain new functionalities. Then behavioral pattern. These design patterns are specifically concerned with communication between objects. And lastly, J2EE patterns. These design patterns are specifically concerned with the presentation tier. These patterns are identified by Sun Java Center. And thank you all.